Hello everybody, welcome to Think About Meal, and today we're gonna look at 3 recipes using tomato sauce. 3 dishes and not one pasta dishes, yes it's possible. So you can use store-bought tomato sauce, but I do recommend to use homemade one. I'm gonna put a link to a recipe on the top. So we're gonna do scrambled egg with 1 extra ingredient, a pizza toast with 2 extra ingredients, and with 3 extra ingredients we're gonna do a baked fish in Putanesca sauce. For first recipe, it cannot be easier. We only need 1 extra ingredient and our tomato sauce to do our scrambled egg in tomato sauce. So first, obviously, crack the eggs, lightly beat them. No need to season them because the tomato sauce is already seasoned, so it will already be good. Heat 6 tablespoons of the tomato sauce in a pan over medium heat, and when it starts to simmer, add the eggs to the pan. Mix, mix, mix and mix, and it will all be done. Don't be afraid of overcooking it, the tomato sauce will protect the eggs and it will keep it moist. And when after you can do a gap in the pan like this, it's all good and it's already done, first one done. For second recipe, you just need 2 ingredients, some bread and some mozzarella, and we're gonna start by toasting this bread. Here it is. Now let's cover it with a couple tablespoons of tomato sauce and a big handful of cheese. Feel free to add any extra topping if you want. But that's pretty much it. Now all we need to do is to bake it in an oven until the cheese is all bubbly and crunchy. For our last recipe, we're gonna use 3 extra ingredients. A thin piece of fish so that it cooks quickly, some olives and some capers. So first cut your olives in half, then put 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce at the bottom of your dish and add your olives and caper. Mix them in the tomato sauce, then add your piece of fish on top. Now let's cover it with 2 extra tablespoons of tomato sauce. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now let's bake it for about 25 minutes in a 180-degree oven. And here it is, guys, 3 very simple and delicious dishes using tomato sauce. The scrambled eggs, they are super juicy. I like to eat them with a piece of bread and they are absolutely delicious. The pizza toast is all you can expect from this. The cheese is gooey, the tomato sauce is tangy. It's definitely the best thing after a real pizza. And finally, for the fish, I like to serve it with some rice for a full meal. The fish is not dry thanks to the tomato sauce. The olives and the capers have some tangy taste, it's delicious. And that's it, guys. Hope you like it. Leave a comment or press the like button and see you next time. Bye bye.